University Open Days in Australia 2022. There's a lot of common sense advice available, all of it supplied by the universities. Here's just a couple. LaTrobe University, they've written some website content on 7 ways to make the most of Open Day, and Victoria University also how to make the most of Uni Open Days. The links are below in the description, and we've got some tips for tackling Open Days as well. Now, if you're considering university study, you should take the opportunity, if you can, to be part of one of these events at the university of your choice, or any of them actually. Make sure you get all the information that you can, and if you can't get there in person, especially if you're overseas, guess what? A lot of these universities have the option that you can get online and be there in a virtual sense, or have a one-on-one chat with university staff or career staff or their international students support team. Now, you'll not only find information about the academic side of university life at these open days, where you might have questions about courses or processes or requirements, but there's information also about the other side of university life, the social activities, student clubs that cater for many activities and sports and tastes and cultural aspects as well, also accommodation, as well as support services from international student support staff. And these are all designed to help you gain success